आ रहे हैं, तकरीबन अपनी स्टंप्स पर खेल गए थे कट करने के लिए। ये विकेट कीपर से वाइड है लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा पीछे नहीं। क्लियर किया ऑफ साइड की फील्ड को।
बॉल एंड कर रहा है।
शानदार शॉट, सहला दिया इसे। मिड ऑन की चोटी के ऊपर से खेला, 4 रन्स।
आसान हो गया था उस पे खेलना।
एक बार फिर गेंद को पटका, मुंह की खाना पड़ी और यहां आउट हो जाएंगे। शॉर्ट गेंद थी और इससे फाइनल को खेलना चाहते थे। अच्छा कैच लिया विकेट कीपर रजा ने और ये रहा पहला। अगले कदम पर खेला।
आए हैं खेलने के लिए नेक्स्ट बैटर। यहाँ पर एक अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट की है।
आज बेहतर है बॉडी लैंग्वेज लाड़काना की। एक बार फिर उठा मारा इसे मिड विकेट की जानिब। ये एक टिपा काती हुई सीधी जा बाउंड्री को मिली। क्रिकेट के खूबसूरत मनाजिर में से एक है। इस बार जगह बनाई, वार किया खुलकर फाइक ने। इस बार चार्ज किया, यहां पर फिर बाउंड्री मिल जाएगी। फील्डर ने सरतोड़ कोशिश की, वही कर रहे हैं फाइक। अपर कट किया इसे, एक और चौका।
No, I have a test case for in that regard. That's an outside edge, and he'll get a boundary for it. And then he got himself into Zalmi down the wicket. That's a big shot of maximum in, and that's the endorsement.
And I hope there is no commentator's curse following him as Ikhlaq plays it through cover point region. He'll get a boundary. And this one will be flicked away into the gap. Another boundary. In this form of the game, as this one is flicked again on the leg side, and Dhani is the person chasing, and well, Dhani being Dhani.
Oh, ramps that one. The height was there, very quick to improvise and gets himself a 50. Faik of just 20 deliveries, 10 boundaries and a 6, and this now becomes the highest power play score with 2 balls to go in it. Slightly short, and Akhlaq has put that away. Down to a good catch taken outside the ground by one of the guys who are just walking around.
It's short, and this time not the kind of connection Akhlaq would have wanted, but it goes in the gap and gets him a couple.
There on the onside with just 76-meter boundary.
This is a great stroke. Wow. This is a fantastic cricket shot. It's Faik Butt again. No extra effort. Just have a look at this. Great position. Good stability while execution. Zahid took a chance. Flighted the ball. Was looking to turn it.
कौमी T20 का चौथा दिन है। पहली गेंद पर ये वार किया सामने की जानिब। लॉन्ग ऑन के फील्डर नहीं पहुंच सके इस पर भी। एक और दिलकश शॉट, लाजवाब प्लेसमेंट फाइक की। बोल्ड हो गए। इस बार ये फ्लिपर बैक फुट पर खेलना चाहते थे जो हमेशा खतरनाक होता है।
ने खुद ही कुछ किया है। स्मार्ट बॉलिंग, अच्छी लेंथ पे गिरा हुआ बॉल और फ्लिपर तेजी के साथ अंदर की तरफ आया और ये सेलिब्रेशन बताती है कि कितने गुस्से में है और होना भी चाहिए। 115 रन बना लिए, 35 रन बनाकर वापस जाएंगे इखलाक। फिलहाल तो खैर से ये टूर्नामेंट गुजर जाए, उसके बाद अगली स्मार्ट मूव देखेंगे।
Nicely cut away for another boundary through that test. That's a rare slog. Doesn't quite get hold of it, but still get 2. A big boundary there. Shot sails over long on for a maximum there. He's unstoppable today, Faik Butt.
Absolutely timing it so well. The hand-eye coordination on point by him.
Jerry was Javeria.
Jerry, yeah, that's when he...
Oh, no, 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 no. There's nobody there at the non-striker stumps. That is such a cardinal rule. You got to rush to the non-strikers.
What a chaos that is. What a chaos that is. Went on for the second run. Faik taking 3 instead.
Oh, very short in length. That's a big boundary. But you allowed him. Oh, one-hand catch. What a catch that is.
Well, he's using all his power. Good thing is he's clearing the leg and extending the arms and playing it all over the ground. And now that's a cut shot.
Oh, nicely picked up. That will sail over. Gets him a second 100. Faik has really been super impressive out here. What a knock that is. 49 balls for that. 13 boundaries, 5 sixes. The man is not just knocking, he's kicking that door. He's got to get noticed. The way he's been performing consistently. He has played a knock which has just been an absolute entertainment. 16 gone, 162 for 2.
Back in the action, and Mohsin goes big. And trouble, it seems. Yes, it is. It's taken by Mushtaq, and Mohsin will have to depart. Trying to go big and not getting the timing. Held out on the boundary.
From Abdul Razak. Risty, very risty for 4. Tayyib Tahir this time.
Oh, big head that. That's well timed, and that's into the crowd. This is what should be happening. Let the man in form face. Wow. This time full toss and dispatch to the boundary on the leg side. This is big, and it goes the distance. It was high and comfortably goes for 6. Long off, and he should look to bowl Yorkers. Otherwise, this will be a frequent sight. This is asking for trouble. So it's so far the highest individual knock of the tournament.
Nothing to worry about as far as bowling is concerned. Oh, it's up in the air. May land safely. It does, and goes for 4. It was a great effort from the fielder there.
And now it's Mushtaq, and Tayyib cuts it, and nobody move.
He pulls one in the gap for 4. Way too easy at the moment for these Lahore White batters.
And once again it is flicked, and it is timed wonderfully well. Crosses the rope. Another 6.
That's effortless. Waited enough, and then those strong wrists coming into play. That's brilliant.
Once again he goes big, and this time it has a chance, and it's well taken by Sabit.
Cannot really blame Tayyib Tahir. Had to go big. It was too full. Did not get the elevation, and a very smart catch by Sabit.
Bowl this one. Shot, and Hassan pulls it, and this should be an easy couple. It's the longer side of the boundary. Gives ample of time to the batters to return, and this is a very good total. 215 for 4 of 20 overs as Hassan and Faik would return. A great knock from the young boy Faik, but getting 100